broken and scattered, in mercy gathered, mended and whole, empty-handed, but not forsaken. I've been set free, I've been set free. Amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me. Ooh, I once was lost, but now I'm found. Was blind, but now I see. Oh, I can see it now. Oh, I can see the love in your eyes, laying yourself down, raising up the broken to life. You take our failure, you take our weakness, you sent your treasure in jars of clay. So take this heart, Lord, I'll be your vessel, the world to see your life in me. Oh, amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me. Ooh, I once was lost, but now I am found. Was blind, but now I see. Oh, I can see it now. Oh, I can see the love in your eyes, laying yourself down, raising up the broken to life.
po sa amin kasama po ang pamunuan ng aming community, Glad Tidings Church, Assembly of God, Bulawan, Lapuyan, Zamboanga del Sur. Kami po ay taus-pusong nagpapasalamat sa bumubuo ng Helping Hands Community Group, Team Solid Group. Mula sa superior, admin, member, at higit sa lahat sa mga donors at sponsor na nagbibigay tulong para mapasaya ang aming mga senior citizen. At napakalaking tulong po ito para sa amin. At salamat sa Panginoon na naging bahagi po kami sa inyong programa.
Happy first year anniversary to Helping Hands Community Group, a hand that cares, Team Solid for everyone. Maraming salamat po kasi isa po yung lugar namin na bibiyaan ng blessings na galing po sa Helping Hand Community Group, and more blessings to come po sa inyo, at saka maraming salamat po sa lahat. God bless all po.
In behalf of our Glad Tidings Church, Assemblies of God from Bulawan, Lapuyan, Zamboanga del Sur, thank you very much for your support here as one of our senior citizen who give assistance from your charity, Helping Hands Community Group. Sana po marami pa po kayong matutulungan ng mga senior citizen sa mga iba't ibang lugar. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat.